Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So may panibagong video na naman ako for you guys, and actually, hindi ito makeup tutorial video. So as what you can see from the title below, this is going to be my skincare routine video. And by the way guys, just for a disclaimer, this skincare routine na i-share ko sa inyo, it may or it may not work for you. So it depends kung gusto nyong itry or hindi. And by the way guys, lahat ng products na i-mention ko in this video, I am going to put it doon sa description box down below so you can check that out. And before I forgot guys, hindi na ako nag-makeup kasi total skincare routine video naman to. So parang it doesn't make sense kung magme-makeup ako. So para at least makita nyo yung kalagayan ng aking skin ngayon. So by the way, I have dry skin as of the moment. And from my previous videos, madalas kong mabanggit na ang aking skin type ay nag-change kapag nag-change din ang season. So right now, dito sa USA, spring ang aming season. And medyo malamig pa rin dito sa California, mas lalo na dito sa Bay Area. So ngayon guys, yung mga papakita ko dito, matagal ko na talaga silang ginagamit. First of all, tried and tested ko na sila. And then, para sa aking sensitive na dry skin, okay talaga siya. And third, ito talaga yung aking mga holy grail products when it comes to my skincare. Guys, hindi ako everyday nagme-makeup. As much as possible, hindi ako naglalagay or nag-apply ng makeup sa aking face. As much as possible, I would like to stay away from, you know, wearing makeup. Kasi nga, gusto ko naman alagaan yung aking skin. And with that, kung naka-makeup man ako, ang ginagamit and trusted ko na talagang makeup remover is a Korean brand. And this is the Banila Co. Clean It Zero. My favorite and holy grail makeup remover. It really does the job. Talagang natatanggal niya yung mga heavy duty na makeup ko, like yung Heroin Make Mascara na sobrang hirap tanggalin sa pilik mata. This one, natatanggal niya. So kung usapang makeup remover, most probably, ito yung aking babalik-balikan. So after using my makeup remover, nagki-cleanse na ako ng face. And for cleansing my face, dalawa yung products na ginagamit ko. Kung hindi ako magme-makeup, ito yung aking gagamitin. This is the IWhite Korea na Facial Wash Whitening Vita. And this one, it retails for 159 pesos. And super love ko to for daily use of facial cleansing. So for this facial wash, guys, wala akong naging bad experience at hindi siya naging harsh sa aking skin. Ito yung ginagamit ko kung hindi ako nagme-makeup. And kung mag-makeup man ako, ang ginagamit ko is a soap. Ito yung Snail White na Whipp soap. And actually, ito yung hindi ko pa nabubuksan na facial soap. But this one is yung actual product niya. And actually, itong actual product na ipapakita ko, maliit na lang siya. Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Snail White Whipp Soap, meron siyang mesh. Tapos kapag binasa niyo siya, guys, i-rub nyo lang siya sa inyong hands para mag-create ng foam or bubble foam. And then from there, pwede nyo na siyang iganyan sa face and then pwede nyo nang i-lather and i-massage sa inyong skin. Actually guys, this soap, itong Snail White Whipp Soap, super maganda siya sa face. Wala rin akong naging bad experience, tsaka wala siyang harsh effect sa aking skin. Actually, kapag ito yung ginamit ko, feeling ko na deep cleanse yung aking face. So, alam niyo yun guys, sa aking makeup tutorial videos, parati kong ini-include yung aking sunscreen or yung aking favorite sunblock. And, importante talaga siya guys, kasi kailangan nating i-protect yung ating skin. Kailangan nating iwasan yung magkaroon tayo ng mga sunspots. Alam niyo yun, to prevent anti-aging. And as of the moment, for the sunscreen or sunblock, ang favorite ko is this Cathy Doll Whitening Sunscreen na may L-Glutathione Magic Cream with SPF 50 PA+++. Meron talaga siyang whitening effect. Actually, instant yung whitening effect niya. So for the sunscreen, nag-a-apply lang ako during the morning and afternoon. Kapag gabi, hindi na. So after ko mag-apply ng sunscreen, guys, nagpo-proceed na ako to moisturize my face. So actually, I have different routines when it comes to my morning moisturizer and my evening moisturizer. So first of all, yung ginagamit ko is this IWhite Korea na Aqua Whitening or Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. And this one, it retails for 179 pesos. Available siya sa mga Watson's beauty department stores. And this one, it is water-based na moisturizer. This one, ang ginagawa ko, may demo na ako guys ha. So, ganyan lang yung ginagamit ko. And with my clean hands, ang ginagawa ko is ina-apply ko siya dito sa gitna, tsaka dito. So, ganyan lang guys. Ganyan lang yung pag-apply ng moisturizer sa aking face. Minamassage ko lang yung aking face and nagko-concentrate ako dito sa aking lower parts ng aking cheeks. So, hindi ako kasi guys nakakontento sa isang moisturizer lang. So, since I have keratosis pilaris and chicken skin, kailangan ko ng intense hydration. And after kong maglagay nito sa morning nung Aqua moisturizer na Whitening Vita from IWhite Korea, nagpo-proceed na akong mag-apply dun sa aking next moisturizer. And I think ilang beses ko na to na-feature sa aking mga makeup tutorial videos. And this one is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. And this one is good for different kinds of skin conditions. And ito, super favorite ko to. This is my second tub already. Eto guys, pag sinabi niyang intense hydration, talagang intense hydration. And yung aking keratosis pilaris, kapag active sila, at ito lang nilagay ko during the morning and evening, kinabukasan for sure, mag-tone down yung aking redness dito sa lower part ng aking cheeks. So, ginagawa ko guys, kumukuha ko ng clean spatula. And from there, kukuha ako ng amount na alam kong kailangan ko lang. So, usually, ganyan lang, guys, karami. So, this one, guys, dito sa amin, sa USA, sa Sephora, pag nakita nyo sa kanilang website, maganda yung mga reviews niya. Actually, nasa thousands ata yung reviews nitong First Aid Beauty Fab na moisturizing cream. And actually, for me, it does the job when it comes to repairing my skin. Though, nakikita ko kasi agad yung effect niya. So, ang ginagawa ko, naglalagay ako dito, and then kino-concentrate ko dito sa skin ko na may keratosis pilaris. And then, I'm just going to massage it. So, ganyan siya, guys. And kung gusto nyo guys, pwede nyo kapalan yung moisturizer, but hindi ko siya ina-advise para sa mga taong may oily skin na kung gusto nyo damihan, hindi ko siya ma-advise. So, ganyan yung ginagawa ko guys. Nagpapat pa ako ng onting moisturizer kasi kailangan ko talaga dito sa areas na to. So, kung nasa Philippines kayo, available itong moisturizer na to sa Sephora.Ph. Morning skincare routine, ang ginagamit ko is this two together. For the evening naman, ito lang yung ginagamit ko, plus my trusted na Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. So, ina-apply ko muna to bago this cream. So, for this one, kaya ko siya dinagdag sa aking skincare regimen for nighttime is kasi gusto ko ng extra soothing and extra moisturizing na feeling sa aking face. And kapag ito yung combination na ginagamit ko for the nighttime na skincare routine, mga keratosis pilaris and yung aking mga blemishes, talagang behave sila. And actually guys, this two together, it is also really good, you know, para mag-lighten up yung aking mga dark spots. So, ito yung ginagamit ko for the nighttime. After the moisturizer, guys, it depends kung kailan or anong schedule yung paglalagay nyo nitong next products na ipapakita ko. But for me, these are my trusted brands when it comes to mask. And yung mask na ginagamit or facial mask na ginagamit ko is from the Face Shop, Nature Republic, or yung KLAVUU. Itong brand na ipapakita ko sa inyo, this is from Nature Republic and this is less expensive. This one, mabibili nyo to sa Korea na parang 1+1. And so, kung 1+1 siya, each pack contains of 10 mask sheets. And from there, guys, yung price niya, it's around $10. So, that's roughly 500 pesos. And eto, I think pare-parehas lang to ng benefits. And it's up to you guys kung kailan nyo gustong gamitin or kailan nyo gustong gumamit ng mask. But this one are less expensive and I really love this mask. Hindi ako nag-breakout at all. Walang harsh effects sa aking skin. Nakakapag-moisturize talaga siya ng aking skin. Ito yung aking favorite, which is yung KLAVUU na Green Pearl Station Tea Tree Care Mask. And this one, it retails for $2 to $3 sa Korea, ha? So, it is $2 to $3 per mask. Kayo ng mga 40 pieces, it is around $60 to $90, which is a little bit expensive for a mask. Pag ito guys ang ginamit nyo, super duper moisturize nung feeling nyo sa skin. As in, ang soft niya, kinabukasan, tapos hindi ka magbe-breakout at all kasi may tea tree siya. So by the way guys, KLAVUU is available in Seoul, South Korea. I think in South Korea in general. And this one, KLAVUU is a mother brand of the Face Shop. And ito, mas luxurious siya. And ano ba, mas higher ng onti yung prices niya compare kay the Face Shop. So guys, kasama din to sa aking skincare regimen kapag gusto kong magtanggal ng blackheads or whiteheads. Before, ang ginagamit ko is yung BioRe na nose pack. But right now, dahil out of stock na ako noon, ito na yung ginagamit ko. This is from the Philippines as well. Ito yung IWhite Korea na the original nose pack. And yung pore purifying balm. Very effective for me. Talagang natatanggal niya yung whiteheads and blackheads ko. And mas prefer ko tong gamitin before akong mag skincare routine sa gabi. So, etong dalawang tong guys, this is very cheap. This is only 18 pesos each. So, the last thing na ipapakita ko na ginagamit ko during the day and night, and even kapag nagme-makeup ako, ginagamit ko din siya. This is an essential water which revitalized and refreshed my skin all throughout the day. And this is the Badescu Facial Spray na with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. So, as I was saying a while ago, etong facial mist na to, pwede mong gamitin sa yung skincare and makeup routine. So, yun guys, yun yung aking skincare routine for the morning and the evening. And actually guys, gustong-gusto ko talaga siyang i-share sa inyo kasi ito yung nag-work para sa aking sensitive skin. Though I have a dry skin, I hope mag-work din sa inyo yung aking skincare routine. But by the way guys, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, it may or it may not work for you. So, depende kung gusto nyong itry o hindi. So, I hope you enjoyed watching my skincare routine video. And if you do like this video, you can click the thumbs up button. And if you want to get notified with my future uploads here on my channel, you can click the subscribe or the bell button down below. So, thank you so much for watching guys. And I will see you on my next videos. Bye!